Full coverage auto insurance is not real, and what you don't know about it could cost you thousands. Hey there, I'm Jess. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about all things insurance, business, finance, and productivity. Today, we're talking about something I hear almost every single day. I just want full coverage. But here's the truth. Full coverage isn't a real thing. Yes, you heard that right. Let's break it down. When people say full coverage, what they usually mean is they want their car fully protected. But in the insurance world, there is no policy called full coverage. What you're typically referring to is a combination of liability coverage, uninsured motorist, collision, and comprehensive coverage. Let's explain what each one does. Liability coverage pays for damage or injuries you cause to someone else. This is required by law in most states. Uninsured motorist coverage protects you if you're involved in an accident with a driver who has no insurance. It can help cover medical expenses, lost wages, and property damage resulting from the accident. Collision coverage pays to repair or replace your vehicle if you hit another car or object. Comprehensive coverage covers things like theft, vandalism, fire, hail, or an animal hitting your vehicle. Basically, the other stuff that isn't a crash. When you combine those four, most people call that full coverage. But here's where it gets really important. Even with liability, uninsured motorist coverage, collision, and comprehensive, you still may not be fully protected. There are other coverages you might need depending on your situation, such as medical payments or personal injury protection, which pays for medical expenses for you and your passengers if you're injured in a car accident, regardless of who is at fault. Gap coverage, which pays the difference between what you owe on your car loan and the car's actual cash value if it's totaled or stolen. Rental reimbursement coverage, which pays for a rental car while your vehicle is being repaired after a covered accident. And roadside assistance, which is a service that helps drivers when their vehicle breaks down or experiences issues like a flat tire, dead battery, or running out of gas. So when someone tells me, just give me full coverage, my response is always, let's talk about the coverages available, because real protection is about making sure you have the coverage that fits your life, your car, and your financial situation. And one more thing, full coverage does not mean unlimited coverage. Every auto policy has limits, every policy has deductibles, and every policy has exclusions. So before you assume you're fully covered, review your policy. Ask questions. Make sure you understand your limits, and I highly recommend working with a licensed insurance agent who can take the time to review and explain coverages to you and is willing to answer all your questions. Insurance is all about protecting what you've worked hard for. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you've ever thought full coverage was an actual policy, don't worry, you're not alone. And now you know the truth. I'll see you in the next one, friends.